Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to just be doing an unboxing of some stuff I got from Amazon and also just updating you guys on what's going on in my life, hence life updates. So we're still in a hotel right now and we've been, I don't know exactly how long we've been in the hotel, but we've just been paying weekly and daily for it to be staying in a hotel while we look for a house. And we did find a house, which we will be moving into next week, by late next week. So by the end of March, we should be moving into our house. And we're all really grateful that we found someone to work with us, and I feel blessed that we finally found one. So we're all really excited to officially have a house to move into next week. I think by the time you're watching this, I don't know if we'll already be moved in or not, but I think you'll see it before. And one of my previous videos it's about us moving to Arizona, so make sure you watch that. But we're officially getting a house. So what else is going on? My partner has been working. He found a really good job here in Kingman, and my son got into a really good school also. I've just been at the hotel taking care of the baby and working. I work from home. I have jobs I do from home, and I'm also in school full-time still for my business degree with a marketing certificate. So that's going really well. I'm enjoying the classes and can't wait to get this degree. Hopefully it should be about 2 more years I have to go, and I'll have my business degree. So that's what's going on so far in our life. That's the life update. In this package, I got this brush for Aria. It's a FRIDA baby. I got her a FRIDA baby thick or curly hair detangler because I've been having trouble. I mean, she gets it from her mom, but her hair is very thick, very curly, just like her brother's. So this brush says that the tangle torture is over. So we're gonna try this out on her hair. It says you can use it on wet or dry hair. It's lightweight, ergonomic handle. The brush stands upright, so you can just stand it up. And it has a little case to put the brush in when you're not using it. So my hair is not hairing the way I would like, but I don't care. What else is here? Today, recently, I got a phone case. So let's see what it looks like. From Amazon. They're like some of the first packages I've gotten in Arizona, so it's really cool. So this is a phone case by Oaks Co. I don't know how to say that. Oh, I really have to. Should have brought some scissors. Oh, they're right there. Okay, let me open this up and see what it looks like. Let me get this open somehow. Okay, so this is for my phone, which I'm filming on. So it's the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is the case. It is a kind of pink. It's my favorite color. Really pretty. It's thick. Because my recent phone case, I put one of those phone holders on the back, and it's stuck on there, and I can't take it off. And I just don't like it anymore because it broke. So I wanted to get something new for my phone. It also has the camera cover for the camera, because for the iPhone 13, the new camera has to be protected also. And it came with some screen protectors and all the screen protector stuff. So I can't wait to put that on my phone and get rid of that, whatever I have on it now. So, a good friend sent me a PR package, and she has her own company, which has lots of cute stuff. She sells sunglasses, hair, nails, lashes. I'll have her website linked below, but she sent me a PR package, and it's very nice, like just from the looks of it, because this case can hold the glasses for you. Oh, and then when you open it, it's so sleek and protective. I love the case for it. I'll have everything linked below, and I'll have her business linked below. But these are the glasses. So far so good. It has black and gold. Oh, you can see the shine on the camera. Whoa. And this is what they're looking like. Let's try them on. Oh my gosh. So I love the feel of them. They're very comfortable. And it's just a cute design, very stylish, but also casual. And they're really strong. The quality of these, I'm impressed. I like that you can't see my eye, you can't see through. You can't see through the glasses like you can in some. I just love the side, and it's very futuristic. I love it. Thank you, Saray, for the PR package. Thank you so much, it means a lot. Oh, this is them. And also it comes with cleaning, because you know you gotta clean the glasses when they get fingerprints on them. It comes with that in the package. And it also has this, in case anything happens, this is a screwdriver for glasses. Right here you can like tighten them or loosen them, which is really cool. You know how always that happens with glasses sometimes, so that's really handy that it comes with this. Wow, this is awesome. That's what it looks like in the case. So cute. And it's shined again in the sun. I'm going to take some pictures with this with the whole outfit on, and I'm actually going to link, once I edit this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like in an outfit that I have on with the glasses out outside and how it looks all together. But I'll put that here, insert it here if I'm able to. Thank you again, Saray, and I will have her business links in the description box. Also from Amazon, I'm going to be braiding my own hair soon because I love my natural hair, but it's very hard to maintain and every single day, you know. So like when I get some singles in my hair, it really makes my life a lot easier. So this hair comes with 8 packs. It came with 8 packs all together, pre-stretched. Kingman, Arizona doesn't have beauty supply stores here, so I got it on Amazon, and Amazon is amazing. They have everything that you'll ever need. But this is what the hair looks like. It's just regular black braiding hair that is pre-stretched. So I'm just gonna be doing some big braids on myself so that I can take a break from pulling my hair and having to do it every single day, and letting it grow also. The braids help it grow. So that's going to be its own video. I'm going to show you all the stuff I use to braid my hair, all the stuff I use to wash my hair before braiding it. That'll be a separate video. But this is the hair that I ordered. And lastly, I got some braid spray. This is a sneak peek of one of the things that you need for sure when you have braids in your hair is braid spray. This one is a new one I found on Amazon by Nicole and Alyssa. It's refreshing, moisturizing, soothes itching, extra shine. So when you have the braids in, you can just spray this all over. And that is it for the unboxing. Can't wait to try this on my baby. Make sure you check out my girl Saray's store. She's working with me and she sent me that PR package, and I really do love those glasses. So I will have everything else also linked in the description box. And thank you for clicking to watch this video. Please make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. And like this video also, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one.